Today we will be discussing 7 symptoms of weak Iman. The first symptom: when we start committing sins and not feeling anything, that's a sign that the Iman is weak. Committing sins without any regret. I drink doesn't mean anything. I miss Jumu'ah does not mean anything. That is an indication that the Iman is weak. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, "Kullu ummati mu'afa." All my ummah could possibly be forgiven except the one who openly commit sins. Because we commit sins, but we regret it. Ya Allah, why did I do that? What was I thinking? And we immediately ask Allah for istighfar, for forgiveness. We do tawbah. But a person who does not feel anything after committing a sin, that's a sign of weak Iman. When we reach that level, we have to be very cautious that something is wrong with our Iman. The true believer, the minute he or she commits a sin, they feel so bad. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَالَّذِينَ إِذَا فَعَلُوا فَاحِشَةً أَوْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ ذَكَرُوا اللَّهَ فَاسْتَغْفَرُوا لِذُنُوبِهِمْ وَمَنْ يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ إِلَّا اللَّهِ. The true believers are the ones, when they commit a sin, even if it could be a major sin, immediately they make istighfar and they remember Allah, and they will not be persistent on that sin. That's the first sign. The second sign: feeling very lazy when it comes to the acts of worship. Feeling very lazy when it comes specifically to salat. وَإِذَا قَامُوا إِلَى الصَّلَاةِ قَامُوا كُسَالًا. And when they get up to pray, they are very lazy. They don't want to pray. And even in the prayer, they don't know anything. They do not know what they're saying. They cannot wait for it to finish. They have no clue what the Imam recited. They have no interest in the ibadat. They have no interest in fasting. Even the dua, when they're making it so quick, wipe, and then they get up, no interest whatsoever. All these are indications of weakness of faith, my brother, my sister. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us that a sign of nifaq, a sign of hypocrisy, is that being lazy in performing salat. Third is extreme panic when a calamity takes place. We all go through hardships and problems. You lost your job. How do you react to these things are an indication of your Iman. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us in Surah Al-Baqarah, وَالَّذِينَ إِذَا أَصَابَتْهُمْ مُصِيبَةٌ قَالُوا إِنَّا لِلَّهِ وَإِنَّا إِلَيْهِ رَاجِعُونَ. Whomsoever is hit by calamity, they say, we belong to Allah, and to Allah we shall return. This is the statement that every true believer should say when they are hit by a calamity. But when someone says, complain, why, and start screaming and panicking, and I pray and I give money, why is this happening to me? And no. That's an indication of weakness of Iman. We all know that whatever Allah decreed to us, even though sometimes it looks very, very hard, we as believers know that Allah only decrees khair, whether we see it or not. Fourth sign: the harshness of the heart. The heart is so stiff, it's hard. You listen to lectures, you listen to Jum'ah khutbah, you listen even to the Quran, and nothing moves. No tear will shed. So the fifth symptom is arrogance. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he told us that if someone has a mustard seed of arrogance in their heart, they will not go to Jannah. Allahu Akbar. Symptom number 6 is stinginess. And the last one, that being envious and jealous of other people's blessings. If you have all of them, then you have a lot of weakness of Iman. If you have one or two of them, then your Iman is weak in that aspect, and we have to fix it.
Are you tired of all these annoying ads on YouTube? Are you worried that a haram video might pop up? Well, the One Islam TV app is here to solve these problems, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is 100% free of any ads and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 to 4 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.